Welcome back to Hartfield Railway. That's a very nice looking billboard, isn't it? Got Lyle's Golden Syrup. Very appropriate for the time. And over here we've got another one, a brand new one. Players Navy Cut Tobacco and Cigarettes. So these are 3D printed billboards that I've created for the layout today. And I'm going to show you how I made these. This is my first time using a 3D printer. So let's skip on and we'll show you how I made these. So as you can see, I'm now in the software which I can set up the 3D prints from. The yellow things are the billboards, obviously. They're laid flat on the board. They were built flat down on their back, as it's easier than having them stood up. But you can make them stand up and all sorts. I'm just showing you the initial design process, and obviously you can move them around the board wherever you want, like I'm doing now. Anyways, enough of looking at all the computer technical side of things, as fun as that is to play with. Let's move on to the actual 3D printer. That was fun to watch, wasn't it? Yeah. So that's actually nearly 2 hours worth of video footage, would you believe it, which I sped up. But here I am, I've took it to the workbench now, and they've got like the little plastic raft around them. So to separate them up, like so. And then literally all you got to do is pull the raft around the edge off of them. So I'm just going to move the camera slightly so we can see that a little bit better. There we go. So what we're going to do now is we're going to move the raft around the edge. That just makes like a little base basically when you're doing it. So we're going around the edge of the billboard just using my thumb and nails just to pull it away. It's a bit like when you take stuff out of an airfix kit, really. It's doing okay. Got to gently pull away the remaining plastic so that our billboards are nice and clean. You can also use a knife to do this if you want, but I did set it up just so that you can basically just pull this away. Very simple, makes it nice and clean. And there we have it, one of the billboards with rounded posts on the bottom. I'm just taking a knife here and I'm just cleaning off a little bit of the excess on the edge just there. That's not too bad, is it? So perfect size for the advertisements. So I'm just going to quickly give this a quick paint. Some brown acrylic. Just doing some around the edge right now. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly speed the video up once again so that we can get this painting over and done with. There we have it. Just a quick paint of acrylic brown there on it. Make it look a little bit less white. So these will be quickly finished off by putting some adverts on the front in the empty square, which just like here, the golden syrup is this one, and up there we've got the Players Navy Cut tobacco and cigarettes. These are just prints that I bought, cut down into the right size and placed on the front with a little bit of glue. And here's what they look like finished. We've seen this shot before, but this is the finished look of them. Looking rather nice on the railway, adding a little bit of colour and adding a little bit of interest as well. I want to thank you for joining me on the video today. It's been really fun learning how to use a 3D printer and making these billboards. So don't forget to like, subscribe and leave me a comment. I'll see you next time.